All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I'm going to be going over the all-purpose pliers and the hybrid pliers. I have made separate videos on both of these if you want to check them out individually, but I'm going to be going over like all the features right now, so just stay tuned. So basically this is like the same exact tool, except one of them one is more of a needle nose and one of them is more of a lineman. So they pretty much have the same exact features. They both have the crimpers, they both have the 632-832 screw cutting shears. They both have cutters right here. This one is a little beefier. That one might actually be more heavy duty than the all-purpose one. It doesn't really say it's for, if you look at the back of the package here, the needle nose just says forged steel, and the other one says, where did it go? Induction hard steel for cutting wire. So maybe not. Maybe they're both exactly the same, but you can pause that and read it if you want to. They both just say hardened cutting steel for wire and stuff like that. Yeah, moving on. These both have stripping options. So this has stranded from 12 to 20, and this has stranded from 12 to 16. So this one has 5 different stripping options right here, and this one only has 3 right here. So if you're looking more of a stripper, then I'd probably go with this guy. If you're looking more for the linemen's and just some basic stripping options right there for like residential, commercial, then I would go with this one. So yeah, and then on the back, this has the solid, which is 10 to 18. And then on the solids on this one is just the 10 to 14. Yeah, I don't remember if I messed that up, but yeah, the stranded is 12 to 16, and then the solid is 10 to 14 on that. So, and then once again, the solid on this side is 10 to 18, and then the stranded is 12 to 20, just to not confuse anybody. So we got the needle nose, we got the linemen's, we got the stripping feature. I don't know what that was. And then we have the cutting features right here. They both cut. This one is a little bit longer teeth right here. This one's a little bit shorter. Then you have the 632-832 shears, like I said. And then you have the yellow handles, the gray handles, that pretty much differentiates the features. And then lastly, they both have the crimper right here for non-insulated connectors, lugs, and terminals as the package says. So those are the main features. The main difference is mainly just the needle nose versus the lineman's, but also it does have a few less stripping options. But other than that, they're pretty much identical. Obviously, they have the shears in a little bit different spots. This is like left and right, and this is more like center and left. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully, if you're looking at both of these as options for tools to buy, this helped you out in some way or another. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video. I got plenty of more content coming out, so stay tuned. Make videos Monday through Friday. And that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks so much for watching. As always, thanks for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.